Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 6-017. These are your brake flange nuts for your brake flange bolts for your 8K to 16K trailer axles. Let's take a look at them. These are the brake flange nuts that go with the brake flange bolts and brake flange lock washers, and we'll just measure them out real quick so you can see. So they are 0.67 OD, inner diameter is 0.38 and 0.37 thick. You would use these in conjunction with the 7-116 brake flange bolt and the 5-008 brake flange washer. And these just go right here in your brake assemblies to secure them onto your brake flange. Simple and easy. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.